Hey Fox Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you a few items that I picked up to do a winter refresh of my master bedroom. So I'm going to be changing the duvet cover, changing the coverlet, the pillow shams, and the Euro shams, and also adding a few decorative pillows. My last video I decorated for the fall, and it has more of the warm tone colors. For the winter colors, I'm still going to stick with warm tones, but I'm going to add like a little green and teal to it to give it just a little more color. So the first item that I picked up is this throw pillow, and I picked this up from Macy's. This is from the hotel collection. It has the green beads in it with the silver backing and background to it. I don't know if you can see it's silver there, but yeah, there you can actually see that it has a little green in it. And then I also picked up two of these sort of lumbar pillows, and they also have like the greenish color in them with the silver. I picked up three of these Euro shams to go. As you see, I have 3 Euro pillows on my bed, and this also has the same color green in it. This was actually the inspiration for the makeover. I saw this on the Macy's website. I was like, oh, I really like that. So then I decided to look for more items to go with it. They're all from the hotel collection. And then I picked up these pillow shams to go with it as well. And these also have the silver with the green in it, more, you know, the leaves and things. I thought this was really pretty as well. This has a comforter or a duvet cover to go with it, but I decided to go with a creamish color duvet cover because I don't like matchy and I don't like too much of the same patterns on my bed. So I thought a cream would go well with it. I ordered the cream duvet cover from Zgallerie, but it hasn't come in yet, so I'm gonna have to hold off on putting that on the bed. But I did pick up this coverlet that goes with the same collection from Macy's, the hotel collection. As you can see there, it has all of the items on the bed, how they decorated at Macy's. So I'll be adding that. And then the items that have arrived from Zgallerie are this green tealish color throw that I'm going to be incorporating in my bed. Currently I have a cream color throw on it, so we're going to give it a little more color. And then I also picked up 2 of these teal color pillows, greenish teal, that I'm going to add to my bed. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the old stuff off, put the new stuff on, and see how it looks. I have so far, I put my old comforter back on the foot of the bed since my duvet cover hasn't come in yet. But I'm not really sure if I like it there. So I think I'm just gonna have the bed made with the coverlet on and take the comforter off and just wait for the other duvet to come in, because I mean, it's cream and of course it goes with any color. And it actually brings out some of the colors in there, but it's a little too bright, whereas the coverlet that I ordered is more of a furry texture, and it's not so bright as this one. So I am going to take this off, and then I am going to show you all the whole reveal. If you watched this far, thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. And go ahead and leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.